Now, coming to the base part of this vehicle, which was the most important part. So, this client requested to go loudest possible. So there were a few challenges on the way too. This vehicle had a factory enclosure on the right hand side. We were easily able to delete that. But on the left side, there was a rear AC box. So after we've took the whole interior part of this vehicle and had enough space for us to build the enclosure, we started building the frame for the enclosure out of metal. Then we started slapping wood on it. We chugged in our Blaze plus 15s into this enclosure. Also, this client requested us to do an acrylic window. Since we had a cage in it, we actually did 3 little windows. So we did some laser print on those acrylic windows, added some LEDs to it, painted the enclosure white inside, did a gloss black from the outside. We managed to put Yinlong cells, 45 AH cells, behind the second row and the enclosure of this vehicle. There was just enough space. So shout out to Mo, he was able to fabricate some aluminum bus bars for these 45 AH cells. Since we mounted the amplifiers to the back of the enclosure, considering the amount of vibration the enclosure could put out and the weight of this amplifiers is approximately 20 kilos per amp, we got these shock absorbers mounted between the enclosure and the amplifier, so that keeps a lot of this constant vibration away from the amplifiers. We did a custom fuse block on top of the lithium bank. So for the charging system of this vehicle, we went with a Mechman 370 amp bullet alternator. Copper cables throughout this vehicle from the front to the back, 2 runs, also ground upgraded. We also added a PCM controller for voltage control on the alternator. We did 6 layers of sound deadener throughout the cab, on the floor, on the top of the vehicle. This is an awesome build. We appreciate everyone who supported us with this build. It has been an absolute pleasure, of course.
Got me in the trance. DJ tell me ladies get so clean. I'm missing my style. You don't look for pay. And I'm about this money. Why you do it with no hands?